इसके बाद गोदू लूंगी वीडियो में। गोदू अलाउड नहीं है बेटा। यहाँ पे बैठ, नीचे बैठ। परू गोदू अलाउड नहीं है वीडियो में, नीचे बैठ। ओके फाइन।
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Honey Ostwal and hi, good to see you if you're new. And today I'm going to review about PSafe as a brand, as a whole brand. Okay, परी आपको नीचे बैठना पड़ेगा बेटा. Okay, so let me just tell you, PSafe is doing a good work. I would say they are just getting biodegradable sanitary pads. If you can see here. I have tried these pad which is 100% cotton, organic cotton, and they have two sizes. I am in love with their packaging, guys. I am in love with PSafe packaging. They have one regular and one overnight, which is 315 and this is 280 mm size wise. ठीक है? Now, this is how it looks from inside. Let me just show you. And this is how the pad is. They are good, they're nice. Now the pad is shit. Okay, these pads are just nothing but a piece of shit given in this paper ka bag. Let me just tell you, it's a shit. It is so disgusting, guys. It's so disgusting. So I can't actually show you the video, but I can explain you what's happening. You know, I've used so many of them. मैंने अपनी mom से भी use करवाया. I'll take you to my mom and tell you her review as well. क्या होता है पता है, हम जब इसको अपनी अंडरवेयर पर लगाते हैं ना, तो पीछे का पार्ट जो रहता है ना, this is a plastic. You're supposed to remove this plastic. See, oh my God, see. So मैं ये plastic, this is what I'm telling. जब हम अंडरवेयर पे चिपकाते हैं ना, तो ये ऐसे हो जाता है. Can you see this? Can you actually see this? मैंने cinematography हटाया और normal video लिया. This is what happens to my underwear as well. इनका glue इतना बेकार है कि इधर यहाँ पे blood रहता है. Okay, there is blood and half the time the blood gets stuck on the underwear. ये क्या powder निकल रहा है? That's disgusting. But this is how it. Did you see this? This is how their pad is. Okay, they are so disgusting. My mom have tried and she was like, what shit have you given me? So I would say these, I mean, let me just say, PSafe, क्या कर रहे हो तुम बंद कर दो ये ब्रांड, ये बंद कर दो. मुझे नहीं पता तुम्हारा बिक भी रहा है कि नहीं. And I have seen so many people का YouTube review and luckily I got this as a giveaway. So I'm very happy that I didn't spend like कितना 800 रुपए. I didn't spend 800 rupees. I'm so glad. काफ़ी सारे पैड्स आते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. But it's shit. Please don't buy. Please. It's shit. Okay. I gave to my mom and my mom was selling. हाँ, I was talking about PSafe. क्या कर रहे हो तुम? कैसे चल रहा है तुम्हारा ब्रांड? मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा. मैंने YouTube पे इतने सारे लोगों का रिव्यू देखा. And everybody is just like, they are like, it's very nice. I'm like, how is it possible? सिर्फ मेरे साथ ही ऐसा हो रहा है. I gave it to my mom. I gave it to my one of my friend. I gave it to one of my sisters, and they said the same thing कि हनी ये क्या बकवास दे दिया. I gave them 2 3 pads, and they were like, हनी हमने एक ही यूज किया and we are not going to use this again. They literally told me this. And उनके पास 2 ऐसे ही पड़े हुए हैं. My friend was like, what shit have you given me, honey? You know, it's that disgusting. These are the regular ones. These are small in size. And इनका भी यही हालत है, bro. I'm telling you, कितना भी आराम से निकालो, ठीक है, ये एक बार चड्डी पे चिपकने के बाद जैसे वो पैड का हुआ ना, ये लेयर पूरा अलग से निकल जाता है, पूरा अलग चड्डी पे चिपक जाता है. Which is so disgusting. Like, PSafe, either you game up, because I think Stay Free and other brands are doing very well. I know you're taking a little more money because of this packet. That's fine. I mean, if you give a good product, people will give more money and buy. But this is a shit. Please, guys, don't buy it. Don't waste your money. And it's very disgusting. It's so disgusting to remove it from your underwear and, you know, wash your underwear. It's so disgusting. Like, it's horrific. I'll also give you my mom's review once I'm, you know, we can see my mom's review in the next slide. मम्मी सुनो ना, आपने ये pads use परी
एक बार टिश्यू पेपर दे रहा है.
कैसे है ये? इधर आके बोलो ना.
एक मिनट.
ये पैड्स कैसे है? आपने यूज किए ना? कैसे है?
एकदम बेकार टिश्यू
रुको
पेपर
रुको रुको.
जैसे.
हाँ अभी बोलो.
एकदम बेकार और थर्ड क्लास टिश्यू पेपर जैसे. मतलब 5 मिनट में इतने गीले हो गए ना, जैसे टिश्यू पेपर गीला हो गया. मैंने 1 घंटे में निकाल के फेंका उसको.
और आपका मेरा ये अंडरवेयर पे हर बार चिपक जाता है, तो आपका चिपका या ऐसा कुछ हुआ था?
नहीं, अंडर मैंने पीछे का पेपर नहीं निकाला.
अच्छा हाँ, मेरी मॉम पीछे का पेपर नहीं निकालती
पीछे
है,
का
वो
पेपर
ऐसे ही
नहीं
लगाती
निकाला
है.
क्योंकि बहुत पतला था. तो मैंने ऐसे डायरेक्ट ही यूज किया था, जैसे कपड़ा यूज करते हैं वैसे ही लिया था. तो चिपका तो नहीं, लेकिन वो 1 घंटा भी मतलब है ना निकाला था है ना. ऐसे टिश्यू पेपर गीला होने के बाद कैसा होता है वैसा बहुत घटिया क्वालिटी का. ये क्वालिटी कोई भी यूज मत कर.
Okay, they also gave me a piece. Okay, I have tried their roll-on as well. One I ordered for one of my sister cum friend. So yeah, I was talking about the roll-on. One I gave it to her, and one I used, and my mom used, and कुछ पेन नहीं जाता है वो रोल ऑन से. आई जस्ट पोस्ट अ पिक्चर योर. सो दिस इज द रोल ऑन एंड इट इज शिट. कुछ भी नहीं होता है उससे. ना पेट के क्रैम्प्स दूर जाते हैं, ना दर्द दूर जाता है. नथिंग. इज जस्ट लाइक बाम, यू नो. बाम फिर भी कुछ तो कुछ करता है, बट दिस honestly speaking this does nothing. Okay, कुछ भी नहीं होता है. It just has that smell which is good smell, but it does nothing. Okay, now talking about the P Safe panty liners, they are amazing. They are fabulous. Okay, very good. It's not like pads. They do a very great job, guys. Very great job. ये चड्डी पे नहीं चिपकता है, इसका फिर भी थोड़ा बेटर है. इट्स वेरी नाइस, इट्स वेरी अमेजिंग. इफ यू गाइज वांट टू बाय पी सेफ के पैंटी लाइनर्स, यू गाइज कैन बाय पी सेफ के पैंटी लाइनर्स. आई टेल यू द प्राइस. यू गेट बेसिकली 25 पैंटी लाइनर्स, 185 mm का, एंड 3 years का गारंटी, मतलब शेल्फ लाइफ है. Price is something I don't know. I can't find it on this box. Yeah, but then you'll find it on their website. So I don't know. But yeah, panty liners are good. I would say P Safe ka. Other than that, roll on is shit. I have not used their cup, so I cannot say anything on that. Pads are disgusting. Game Up. You know, P Safe Game Up. I don't know how have you given. I have no idea. Okay, have you given other YouTubers money or something to say good things about you or what? I don't know. But me, my mom, my sister, my friend, we all have tried it and we found it a shit. So yeah, that's all I would just want to say. Thank you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.